going to discuss a hot topic, curriculum changes. We have four amazing guests who will share their experience with the new curriculum. Let's get to know them. First, she has an interesting experience about how she learn style has changed with the new curriculum. She is Selpia.
Hi everyone! I'm really excited to be here and join this discussion.
Next, she be sharing the challenge with the new curriculum. She is Keiza. How are you, Keiza?
Hello! I'm good and I'm going to be here and share my thoughts.
Then, she is going to give preventive on to be improved in the new curriculum. She is Rifa. Hello, Rifa.
Hi everyone! I'm really looking forward to the discussion.
And finally, we have Sultan. He's or how he been adjusting to the curriculum changes. Hello, Sultan.
Hi, I'm very excited to share my experience.
Well, let's get started. Pia, can you tell us about what is the learn with the new curriculum? What are you anything that's still really different to you?
It's definitely different. In my view, the first day was more memorization. But now, we're encouraged to think critically and do a lot of research on our own. It's made me more independent in my learning, but it's also more challenging. One of the biggest changes is not the number of group projects we have to do. Sometimes I end up staying up late just to get everything done.
Wow, so it's more challenging. Interesting that you mentioned stay up late. What do you think makes this feel too much? Keza, do you have a similar experience?
Yeah, I totally agree with Pia. Personally, the challenge is many times. In the past, we had more individual achievements, which were easier to manage. But now with all the group project and presentation, we really have to be smart about your time. I've had to have late night education with my group because that was the only time we called a meet. Sometimes it feels a bit overwhelming.
Sure. Pella, what do you think tips have for friends trouble adapt to the new curriculum?
I think it's really important to start managing your time, especially from the beginning. One tip is to not delay. Set up a daily schedule and stick to it. For example, one time day just from doing homework or studying and new material. I also like to use a planner app to help me stay on track.
That's right. Time management is key. By the way, is there anything you feel still that's to be improved in the new curriculum? Maybe something that's confusing?
For me, even though the new curriculum is great because it's more hands-on, sometimes the material can be a bit unclear. I also feel that the curriculum can be a bit heavy for students who have activities outside of school, like extracurriculars or course.
Exactly. Pella, what do you think should be done to be better balance theory and practice?
I think focusing on theory is important because we need a strong foundation before jumping into practice. But I agree that there needs to be a better balance between theory and practice. Maybe by adding more intensive practical sessions and collaborating could give us a more real-world perspective on how theory are applied.
Jeff, what do you think? Is there anything else you think needs improved or maybe something that's good about the new curriculum?
As far as I'm concerned, one positive thing about this curriculum is the flexibility in choosing elective subject. It gives us the opportunity to focus more on our interests and talents. But on the other hand, I agree with Pella that there needs to be more real world practice so we can truly understand the materials and not just memorize theories. For example, for student interest in science, it would be great to have more lab work or field trip to research centers.
That's really. Pia, what about you challenge you are faced in choosing your subject?
Yeah, for me, the biggest challenge is making sure the subject I choose really align with my interests and talents. Sometimes there's this worry that I might make the wrong choice. I think we need more guidance from teachers to help us through this process.
I totally agree with you. Keza, are you satisfied with your subject choosing so far?
So far, I'm satisfied, but I also sometimes feel a bit confusion about which subject truly match my interests. That's why I agree with Pia. Guidance from teacher is so crucial. I also think there should be an option to change or choice if they don't turn out to be a good fit.
That's a great point. The option to change shows could really help with that. Jeff, what's your opinion on this?
In my opinion, out to me is the more personalized approach. This curriculum tries to recognize that every student has different interests and learning styles. So, there's more flexibility in choosing elective subject. But I think this flexibility also need to be accompanied by enough guidance from teacher. So, we don't up and feeling lost in our choice.
Wow, we have gotten so many insight today. Thank you so much, Pia, Keza, Pella, and Jeff for sharing your experience and perspective. And thank you, Gen Z Message. See you next time. Never give up studies. Bye.